Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. In previous lecture, we refer this map. Now in this lecture, I will show you that how to start digitization in ArcGIS Pro software. So first we need to create a shape file. How to create a shape file in our Pro software, I will show you. So go to View and go to Catalog pane. Connect with the folder and right click on it, go to New and create a shape file. Click on that. So give a name to feature class and select geometry type. For region, you need to create a polygon geometry. So here, go to coordinate system, click on geographic coordinate system, go to Word and select WGS 1984. Click on OK. Now run it. Create feature class is completed. Now go to catalog, content, and go to symbology. Only select outline color, apply. Now go to edit tool and click on create feature. So select KP. Now the digitizing tool or enable. So start digitization. And suppose we need to digitize this boundary. So start it from here. Now here, if you need to close the digitization, so click on this finish button. You can simply double click here at the last vertex. So you can see that to digitize this boundary. Now if you want to digitize this region, click and trace tool and on the snapping tool. From that point you will trace this boundary up to that region. So click on it and now pick the line tool. Follow this boundary. So double click here. If you need to digitize this boundary by tracing tool and the line tool, we can digitize this boundary also simply. So on the snapping tool and follow this region up to that point or simply that point. Click on it. Now select the line tool and follow this boundary. I just show you that how to digitize a map in ArcGIS Pro software, but you can digitize it very carefully and up to zoom level to digitize your map perfectly. You can see that we digitize these 3 districts. Now we will add the field and attribute of this. So save your work and go to table of content, go to attribute, now click on add field, name to field, and select the data type text. So add another field, get name field, also select the data type. Now close it. Yes, you can see we add these 2 fields. Now go to editing and start the editing, and add the name of the districts by selecting here. We can see that here our boundary is selected, so select this boundary and give a name to the boundary. Now select another one, okay, save work and label the name and go to label property, remove this and select this district name, apply. Now turn off the raster map. You can see we digitize this map. So if you want to add a point shapefile and digitize the point data by the same procedure, you can go to catalog and create a shapefile at the geometry type of points or multi-point. For polyline you can choose a polyline. By the same way you can create a shapefile and start digitization work. So by this way you can simply start digitization in ArcGIS Pro software.